Designing a Coherent Curriculum, a deep dive into IB programs. Greetings educators and curriculum enthusiasts. As we delve deeper into our series on the International Baccalaureate programs, today's episode is dedicated to the intricate process of designing a coherent curriculum across all IB programs. If you recall from our first two videos, we laid the foundation of the IB framework and explored its core components. Now, we'll dissect each program's curriculum into its written, taught, and assessed components. Before we delve into each program, let's first understand the three types of any curriculum. Written, taught, and assessed curriculum, the three pillars. Written curriculum, think of this as a blueprint. It outlines what we intend for students to learn. It's the foundation detailing the learning outcomes, concepts, and content. Taught curriculum. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's how educators bring the written curriculum to life in the classroom through teaching methodologies, strategies, and pedagogies. Assessed curriculum. The measure of understanding. It's how we evaluate and reflect upon what students have learned, ensuring they've grasped the intended outcomes. With these pillars in mind, let's explore how to design a coherent curriculum for each IB program. We commence with the primary years program, where the foundation of the IB journey is laid. Step 1. Craft the written curriculum. Let's begin by understanding the blueprint of our educational journey, which encompasses understanding the learner, knowledge, concepts, skills, and attitudes and action. Understand the learner. Ground your curriculum in the PYP's emphasis on students who are inquisitive and globally aware. The IB learner profile attributes, such as thinkers and communicators, should be at the forefront. Envision a classroom where students question the world around them, from why is the sky blue to how do cultures differ. Incorporate knowledge. Dive into 6 transdisciplinary themes of global significance, ensuring students gain a broad and balanced understanding of essential elements. For instance, students might explore the cultural significance of local festivals and then connect it to global traditions. Integrate concepts. A concept-driven curriculum might have students exploring change through the lens of seasons or historical events. Develop skills. Think of a 5th grader researching the life cycle of butterflies and presenting their findings. Promote attitudes and action. Encourage students to demonstrate empathy, compassion, and respect. They should also be motivated to make a positive difference in their communities and the environment. Step 2. Implement the taught curriculum. Moving from the blueprint, let's delve into the methodologies and strategies that bring the written curriculum to life, focusing on inquiry-based learning, collaborative learning, and a balanced approach. Apply inquiry-based learning. This isn't just about asking questions, but seeking answers. Picture students conducting mini experiments to understand plant growth or exploring the cultural nuances of Shakespearean plays. Facilitate collaborative learning. Imagine students from different countries collaborating on a project about cultural similarities and differences. Ensure a balanced approach. It's not just about academics, it's about nurturing the whole child. Consider integrating physical activities or arts with traditional lessons. Step 3. Design the assessed curriculum. Now, how do we measure and reflect upon what students have learned? Let's explore reflective learning and the significance of the PYP exhibition. Encourage reflective learning. Beyond tests, students might maintain journals to reflect on their learning journey or critique global news articles. Organize the PYP exhibition. In the final year of the PYP, grade 5 students participate in the PYP exhibition. This significant event allows students to showcase their understanding of the PYP and share their learning with a wider community. It's a culmination of their primary years, where they undertake a deep inquiry into a topic of their choice, demonstrating all the skills and knowledge they've acquired. Progressing from the PYT, students embark on the middle years program, a phase that bridges foundational knowledge with deeper, more intricate concepts. The middle years program, MYTs. Step 1. Craft the written curriculum. In the MYT, the written curriculum deepens, urging students to relate their learning to real-world contexts and contemporary issues, focusing on understanding the learner, knowledge and concepts and skills. Understand the learner. The MYT is tailored for students aged 11 to 16. A critical period in their development. It emphasizes holistic learning, intercultural awareness, and communication. Recall the attributes from our first video, such as open-minded and communicators. Envision a classroom where students are encouraged to be inquisitive and globally aware. Incorporate knowledge and concepts. The MYT curriculum is concept-driven, allowing students to explore knowledge across various disciplines. They engage with issues and ideas of both local and global significance. For instance, students might study the cultural impact of global events or delve into interdisciplinary subjects that bridge traditional academic boundaries. Develop skills. The MYT emphasizes approaches to learning ATL, focusing on skills that help students manage their own learning. This might involve critical thinking exercises, research projects, or collaborative tasks. Step 2. Implement the taught curriculum. Let's explore the pedagogical strategies that animate the MYT written curriculum, diving into approaches to teaching and interdisciplinary learning. Apply approaches to teaching and learning. The MYT promotes inquiry-based learning, emphasizing pedagogy that includes collaborative learning. Imagine students working together to solve real-world problems or debating global issues. Integrate global contexts. Learning in the MYP is contextual. Students might explore identity and relationships, delve into personal and cultural expression, or investigate globalization and sustainability. This contextual approach helps students see the relevance of their studies in the real world. Promote interdisciplinary learning. The MYT encourages students to make connections between subjects. This could involve a project that combines science, history, and art, allowing students to see the interconnectedness of knowledge. Step 3. Design the assessed curriculum. Assessment in the MYT goes beyond mere grading. It's a reflection of understanding and personal growth. We'll delve into criteria-based evaluation and the significance of e-assessment. Apply criteria-based evaluation. Align assessments with MYT criteria for each subject, ensuring a balance between knowledge and skill evaluation. This means that when students are assessed, it's not just about what they know, but also how they apply what they've learned in different contexts. Introduce e-assessment. The MYT assessment is a reliable, globally consistent, and culturally agnostic assessment model. It includes on-screen examinations and e-portfolios, offering a balanced mix of automated marking and teacher assessment. This innovative approach provides a holistic understanding of the student's performance, capturing their application of skills and knowledge. Encourage reflective learning. MYT students are encouraged to reflect on their learning journey. This might involve maintaining a learning journal, creating portfolios, or engaging in peer assessments. Culminating projects. The MYT concludes with significant projects. Students in the final year undertake the personal project, a self-directed inquiry into a topic of their choice. Alternatively, students in earlier years might participate in the community project, emphasizing service and community engagement. As students refine their academic pursuits, they transition to the diploma program, a rigorous pre-university course that spans 2 years and offers a broad and balanced range of subjects. The diploma program DP. Step 1. Craft the written curriculum. In the DP, the written curriculum is crafted to challenge students, fostering critical and independent thinking. It encompasses understanding the learner, breadth and balance with core integration and education for intercultural understanding. Understand the learner. The DP is designed for students aged 16 to 19. It provides a challenging, internationally focused, broad and balanced educational experience. The program equips students with academic skills suitable for university and further education, as well as values and life skills for a purposeful life. Ensure breadth and balance with core integration. Students study 6 subjects concurrently, ensuring a comprehensive exposure to languages, sciences, individuals and societies, mathematics, and the arts. As they delve into these subjects, they're also encouraged to see the connections to the core elements, especially TOK, which challenges them to reflect on the nature of knowledge in each discipline. Promote education for intercultural understanding. The DP emphasizes international mindedness. It fosters an openness to and curiosity about the world and different cultures. Students are encouraged to appreciate various beliefs, values, experiences, and ways of knowing. This promotes understanding of human commonality, diversity, and interconnection. Step 2. Implement the taught curriculum. The DP's taught curriculum is a dynamic blend of traditional learning and innovative pedagogies, focusing on interdisciplinary learning with core integration and language learning. Promote interdisciplinary learning with core integration. Subjects like environmental systems and societies, and literature and performance allow students to satisfy requirements for 2 subject groups, promoting interdisciplinary understanding. The core elements, especially CAS, encourage students to apply their knowledge and skills in real-world contexts, bridging the gap between academic study and practical application. Emphasize language learning. Language plays a central role in the DP. Through language, students learn about different cultures, fostering intercultural understanding and cooperation. The extended essay, a core component, can also be an avenue for students to delve deep into a linguistic or literary topic of interest. Step 3. Design the assessed curriculum. DP assessments are comprehensive, reflecting students' readiness for higher education and their grasp of the subject matter over the 2-year course. We'll explore internal assessments, external assessments, and the significance of reflective learning. Organize internal assessments. These are marked by the subject teachers and then moderated by external IB moderators. Examples include oral exercises in language subjects, laboratory work in the sciences, investigations in mathematics, and artistic performances. Prepare for external assessments. These are written exams that students take at the end of the 2-year program. They are marked by external IB examiners. The exams cover every aspect of the course and vary in format, including multiple choice questions, short answer questions, essay questions, and case study questions. Encourage reflective learning. Beyond traditional exams, students engage in projects, essays, and other forms of assessments that promote deep reflection and understanding. The core elements, especially TOK, play a crucial role in fostering this reflective approach to learning. The DP core guides students through the extended essay process. Picture a student researching the impact of renewable energy policies on global economies. For students aiming to blend academic rigor with vocational skills over a 2-year course, the IB offers the career-related program. The career-related program, CP, Step 1. Craft the written curriculum. The CP written curriculum aligns academic pursuits with career aspirations, focusing on understanding the learner, knowledge and skills, flexible strategies, and career-related content. Understand the learner. The CP emphasizes developing students who are prepared for the demands of the modern world. They're not just learners, they're future professionals, ready to tackle challenges with a global perspective. Incorporate knowledge and skills. Dive deep into specific areas of knowledge through diploma program courses, ensuring students have both broad and specialized understanding. Apply flexible strategies. The CP promotes strategies for knowledge acquisition that are adaptable, preparing students for varied contexts. Tailor career-related content. Tailored to individual interests, students might engage in specialized studies, from business management to the arts. Step 2. Implement the taught curriculum. The CP's taught curriculum emphasizes practical skills and industry-relevant knowledge, diving into preparation for the world of work, collaboration, and inquiry-based learning, and teaching in context. Prepare for the world of work. The CP isn't just about academic knowledge. Imagine students participating in CV building workshops, mock interviews, and real-world problem-solving scenarios related to their career interests. Facilitate collaboration and inquiry-based learning. Students might collaborate on creating business proposals, researching market trends, or developing projects